We're at the forefront of Industry 4.0 here at Liverpool. So that's manufacturing that's been driven by digital processes, AI, digital twins, additive manufacturing and 3D printing.
We are pioneering fundamental research, driving innovation, and delivering real industrial impact. And additive really is the key.
We've had a long heritage of additive manufacturing here at Liverpool, stemming back 20 years. We started from laser-based processing additive manufacturing, and we've shifted slightly towards binder jet printing by extruding or binding material together layer by layer to build bespoke 3D structures.
We are heavily involved in machine development. So for example, multi-laser commercially available machines. Because it is a data-driven manufacturing technique, we can have customized parts, flexibility in the design, and then we can shorten the supply chain to make the supply chain more sustainable and resilient. We are also in product design, manufacturing as well, so we contribute to veterinary implants and human implants to enhance their performance by making them lighter and stronger. We even have spin-out companies.
So I've had two spin-out companies. The first is Meta Additive, working in a novel 3D printing metal and ceramic space. And Atomic AM, which is taking fundamental additive manufacturing technologies to make impact and translate that technology from the university setting into a real-world setting, ranging from small SMEs to large global corporations like Ricoh.
The partnership is actually enabling new ways of thinking in that we are utilising existing AM processes with more advanced manufacturing technologies to then develop this new 3D printing metal process. We believe the technologies have the ability to enhance the next generation of electric vehicles in the automotive and aerospace sectors by producing high-performance heat sinks and heat exchangers that are lightweight and are just as thermally capable as traditionally manufactured components. This then enables a longer lifespan and also helps those industries towards decarbonisation efforts.
It is important to expand the range of materials we can use in additive manufacturing to answer fundamental challenges that then can help us to expand the boundaries of what can be done and to actually realise the potential of new materials into different applications in energy and health. Liverpool is training the next generation of researchers in very diverse fields, from materials discovery to digital technologies like data science and also robotics.
Liverpool is helping them to create an environment where they'll excel and thrive, being solution-focused, not problem-focused, and applying that thinking differently to the additive manufacturing technologies we have, and fully take advantage of the fourth industrial revolution.
We genuinely believe in Industry 4.0, its ability to change lives. We've seen on a day-to-day basis how people are changing how they design products for those processes, and also the positive impact it's having on those production operations as well.
I want to make a difference, and I think manufacturing holds the key in tackling the challenges we face as human beings, to have happier, safer, more sustainable futures.